Hello everyone, good morning, and what are you doing? Today we are going to learn English sentences with Nepali meaning. So let's start. तिमी धेरै अल्छी छौ. You are very sluggish. You are very sluggish. उसको आलोचना गर्नु ठीक होइन. It is not good criticizing him. It is not good criticizing him. के सही छ? What is right? What is right? पानी अब तातेको छ, तपाईं अब नुहाउन जानुस्. Water is now warm, you go and take a bath. Water is now warm, you go and take a bath. फेरि कसलाई बोलाऊं? Who else can I call? Who else can I call? Who else can I call? यो त साँच्चीकै राम्रो खबर हो. This is indeed good news. This is indeed good news. स्कुलदेखि घर पुग्न तिमीलाई कति समय लाग्छ? How long does it take you get from the school to home? How long does it take you get from the school to home? यदि ऊ यहाँ हुन्थ्यो भने देखि मेरो लागि लडिरहेको हुन्थ्यो. If he had been here, he would have been fighting for me. If he had been here, he would have been fighting for me. यो सब किस्मतको खेल हो. It is the twist of fate. It is the twist of fate. मेरो पेट दुखिरहेको छ. I had a stomachache. I had a stomachache. मेरो किस्मत खराब छ. I have bad luck. I have bad luck. उनलाई यसबारे केही थाहा नभएको देखिन्छ. He seems to know nothing about it. He seems to know nothing about it. मेरो मतलब यो थिएन. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. आज राति पार्टी हुन सक्छ. There might be a party tonight. There might be a party tonight. ल हजुर आइजानु भयो. Here comes you. Here comes you. उनले अक्सर मलाई हँसाउँछन्. He often make me laugh. He often make me laugh. मर्नदेखि सबै डराउँछन्. Everyone is afraid from dying. Everyone is afraid from dying. मलाई दिउँसो 2 बजेसम्म कार्यालयमा बस्ने आदेश आएको थियो. I had been instructed to stay in office till 2 p.m. I had been instructed to stay in office till 2 p.m. वहाँ उही व्यक्ति हुनुहुन्छ जसको छोरीले तपाईको मद्दत गरेकी थिइन्. This is the man whose daughter helped you. This is the man whose daughter helped you. शिक्षकको पदको लागि कसैले पनि आवेदन गरेनन्. No one applied for the post of teacher. No one applied for the post of teacher. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe right now for more new videos. Keep learning, keep watching. See you next time. Bye.